okay to mingle if you're single. Put a smile on your face. Oh yeah, babe. This is where we all unite. We're gonna groove, we're gonna move into at this place and time. Yeah. We're gonna let go 'cause it's alright. It's alright. Yeah. To the dance floor. Right to the dance floor. Tonight. Let love start. Let love start. Let love start. On the dance floor. Tonight. Come on. If they're beating tonight, then I'm calling the hearts. Calling the hearts. A celebration of life. So I'm calling the hearts. Calling the hearts. Louder, louder.
I want to.
1, 2, 3, go! Shake it, shake it, shake it down tonight. That's right.
That's right.
Shake it down, that's right. Shake it, shake it, shake it down tonight. That's right. Shake it down, that's right. Hey, yeah. Dance a little bit more. Just dance a little bit more. Come on now. Come on now. Oh yeah. To the dance floor. All right. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. You gotta let it start. You gotta let it start. On the dance floor. I'm calling everybody. I'm calling everyone. I'm calling everybody. Get your butt on the floor. Tonight is the night. Tonight is the night. Tonight is the night. Come on, baby. I'm calling all hearts. 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 I want everybody on the dance floor. Come on.
We're gonna rock tonight.
Radio Toby. The real good, feel good radio station on Spreaker Web Radio. Making you feel good since April 2012.
Radio Toby.
When Jason was at the table, I kept on seeing him look at me while he's with that other girl. Do you think he was just doing that to make me jealous? Because he was totally texting me all night last night, and I don't know if it's a booty call or not. So, like, what do you think? Did you think that girl was pretty? How did that girl even get in here? Do you see her? She's so short, and that dress is so tacky. Who wears cheetah? It's not even summer. Why does the DJ keep on playing Summertime Sadness? After we get out of the bathroom, can we go smoke a cigarette? I really need one. But first, let me take a selfie.
Let me take a selfie.
Can you guys help me pick a filter? I don't know if I should go with XX Pro or Valencia. I want to look tan. What should my caption be? I want it to be clever. How about living with my bitches, #live. I only got 10 likes in the last 5 minutes. Do you think I should take it down? Let me take another selfie. Let me take a selfie.
Who wants to be in the Chainsmokers music video?
Wait, pause. Jason just liked my selfie. What a creep. Is Is that guy sleeping over there? Yeah, the one next to the girl with no shoes on. That's so ratchet. That girl is such a fake model. She definitely bought all her Instagram followers. Who goes out on Mondays? Okay, let's go take some shots. Oh no. Ugh, I feel like I'm gonna throw up. Oh wait, never mind, I'm fine. Let's go dance. There's no vodka at this table. Do you know anyone else here? Oh my god, Jason just texted me. Should I go home with him? I guess I took a good selfie. Selfie, 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 selfie. Let me take a selfie. Let me take a selfie.
Less chat and more music only here on your favourite station.
Radio
You're
Toby.
listening to Radio Toby.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here, you can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Here come bad news, talking this and that. Well, give me all you got and don't hold it back. Well, I should probably warn you, I'll be just fine. No offense to you, don't waste your time. Here's why. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Hey, go. Bring me down, can't none
Radio Toby.
You're listening to Radio Toby.